and I gained a new one, gold.
What is it?
Tends to happen when you make 8 footmen.
Alright,
Are we doing something special here?
righto.
Yeah, Orc&NightElf.
Yeah, let's do
we should
what we were
mass.
gonna do, I think.
Yes, me lord.
Mass?
All work.
Yeah, no,
What? Ready to work.
the Night Mortar.
Off I go
Not on
then.
this mana.
Why?
Yes,
We
me
should just
lord.
mass rifle grunts or
All
something, no?
work.
Alright.
Yes, me lord. What is it? All
Does your
work.
build still work?
What is it?
Okay, you changed it.
I'm gonna salvage it, yeah. I got a couple buildings in progress in my base,
All
as you
work.
can see.
What? All work. What? All work. Ready to work. Yes, me lord. What? Yes, me lord. What? What is it? All work. What is it? Yes, me lord. All work. What is it? Yes, me lord. What is it? Yes, me lord. Off I go then. Right, yes, me lord.
So you go Pala?
What?
Or MK?
What is it?
Blood Mage?
All work.
Paladin.
Off I go then. To work.
Even though Blood Mage is quite
What?
good too. Ah, let's go Paladin. That aura, man, remember last time?
All work.
Absolute rectoning.
Job's done. Yes, me lord. What is it? Ready to work. All work. What is it? What? What is it?
Scrotum, Anal Rector 420. I did try
All work.
Pitlord, Panda.
What is it?
I probably have played Pitlord, Panda, Banshee before. What you're looking for as well is Necromancers. All of that and Necromancers for critical,
Job's done. What?
and they will not do any damage at all,
Yes, me lord. What is it? Job's done.
except with spells.
What?
Keep her,
I wouldn't call it a strat, but it's fun.
Righto.
Sorry, was that?
keep her, my
Yes, me
sons.
lord.
Oh, okay.
Shocking.
Thank you very much, Rensican, for the
What is it?
$10.
Off I go then.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yes, me lord.
Did you just come on?
What? Righto. Off I go then. Ready to work.
I just hope I get this one camp off.
Yeah, well, I have zero hope I'm gonna get the first camp. Rip.
You stole my shit.
Job's done. All work.
Ah, he actually
No
opened
bueno.
shop.
What?
Man,
Yes, me lord.
oh, they're coming from me.
Righto. At your call.
Nice.
Job's done.
Yeah, for once, I guess.
All work. I can't build that. All right.
Feels good, man. My hard work finally paying off.
What is it?
You good?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to be.
Strike with great vengeance. I'm your shooter.
More gold is required.
What do you need? What the
Nice, actually this creep attacking the rifle is good. All I'm gonna have to use is one hill.
It shall be done.
They only use one. Oh, they didn't use Entangle.
At your call.
They're coming for you, you have to leave.
More lumber. Off I go
I
then.
am not.
Ah, shit, they found me.
It shall be done.
Yeah.
Yes, me
More
lord.
lumber
Is required.
Yeah, sure.
Right. Yes,
Let
me
me
lord.
face the devil.
Come on, Wisp.
What
Nice.
the Lord ask of me?
Good.
Let me face the devil.
I've got heals. That's fine.
Yeah, but I should add my DPS. We're in this together.
Sir. I'm at your call. You have a target. What would you ask? I
No.
defending your name. It shall be done.
Oh my god.
Done.
He's got 2 more where they came from, you gotta go.
For honor.
What?
I am
Righto.
not afraid.
Nice, you didn't get
As
it.
you wish. What I ask of me. For my people.
Yeah,
At
I'm
your
here.
call.
I'll bring militia for this.
Let me face the devil.
All work.
Can you heal my ground once?
What would you
Yeah,
ask
I will.
of me? It shall be done.
Still has been walks.
What?
That nerd.
I am not afraid. What the Lord?
Build more lumber is required.
I am not
One more
afraid.
Entangle.
More
At
gold
your
is
call.
required.
What would
Fountain?
you ask of me?
More gold is
Strike
required.
with great vengeance.
If they creepjack us, I think you think we're fine?
Lord.
Yeah, if,
Well, actually,
if
if
we
he's
heal this
taking
ground,
that much damage on his interest like he's now, yeah, we are for sure.
Defending your
More
name.
gold is required.
I'm wrecking the other guy.
For honor.
Well, he seems to think he can kill my paladin,
I
interesting.
am not afraid.
Wait, what?
At your call. I
Okay, this is finally involved.
Why is heal not working?
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Why couldn't I heal my hero?
Ah,
More gold is required.
this is no bueno.
Oh, you can't heal your own paladin. I've been playing
Of
the wrong
course.
games.
What is it?
That poisoned my brain, I totally forgot. Oh my god.
More word.
It happened to me actually recently in a solo game.
You also can't execute your own Sylvanas.
Yes, me lord.
Dear god.
Yes, me lord.
Rip. Man, I haven't played this game in so long. I forgot the very
What
basics.
is it?
Let me face the peril.
Job
Oh,
done.
I am not afraid.
No.
I can't be there for a long time, man. I'm trapped in my base.
Ask of me. For
Oh,
I am not afraid.
so sad.
Let me
Come
face
close.
the peril. What would you
Oh!
ask of
Oh, there is an no, there is an entrance. God.
me? I
Yeah.
am not afraid.
About the regen scroll, let me come to you.
Ask of me. For my people.
You think... Wait?
Honor. For
Okay,
my people.
finally.
Let me face the peril. As you wish.
Alright, let's go, let's go.
Build more farm.
I'll send militia if they're here, and they will most certainly be
Build
here.
more farm. More word.
We lost so
Yes, me
much.
lord. More word.
And now they're doing our fountain.
But we never lost our resolve.
For honor.
I lost mine.
Crystal ball, yeah, okay, that's trash.
Got the best item too.
They're gonna target my hero. Anyways.
Rifle.
You have a target? What would you ask of me? Let me face the peril.
Come on, just some units so I can get Pala level 2, there you go.
At your call. What would you ask of me? As you wish. It shall be done. Let me face the peril. For my people. As you
Job done.
for my people.
I can't believe they're fighting against militia like without a care in the world.
As you wish. What would you ask of me?
What is it?
Oh, he messed up. He could have killed my Pala actually.
At your call. Let me face the peril.
Watch out, your grunt at top. I send it towards your army.
Yes, me lord. All right.
I am not afraid. It shall be done.
Okay, come towards me. I got double. I got a clarity for you and a regen scroll.
Okay.
Did they finish the fountain?
We lost so much. Not everything, but
Yeah, they lost everything, I think, as well, basically.
many grunts got away. We have to be aggressive.
Yeah, but they haven't cracked their fountain yet. So you think we should go
Yeah.
now, or?
Yeah, we have to go to theirs. Or maybe finish this one.
For honor.
Yeah, because I need to regen my Pala a little bit, and like the regen scroll itself is not enough.
It shall be done. At your call.
Get level 3 at least.
You have a target.
More gold.
I'm starting to have a good amount of rifle.
At your call.
Just checking if they're doing it.
Oh, you didn't get level 3?
No, it's okay.
Oh, they will be done. Let's go shop.
Yeah.
For my people. At your call.
They got like all kinds of units that I cannot
More gold is
make.
required.
I think they made other buildings than barracks.
Let me face the peril. What would you ask of me?
You don't have TP yet, but we're both gonna get level 3.
Let me face the peril.
More gold is required.
At your call.
More gold.
What would you ask of me? I am not afraid.
More gold is required. What is it?
gold
More
is
farms.
required.
More gold.
Let me face the peril. At your call.
Thank you very much, Rusty.
Let me face the peril.
Hellstone.
At your call.
Got it all.
About a heal scroll on you.
More gold is required.
I'll just give it to you when you need it. Resicon, thank you very much, dude.
It shall be done.
Let's kill this
We don't need
class.
this camp.
For my people.
I should have pillaged, but I don't.
Build more farms. More work. Yes, me lord.
At your call.
I'm bringing in peons as well.
What would you ask?
Okay, I'll keep some grunts to the back for mid shield.
It shall be
Job
done.
done.
Oh, you should have pillage here. Christmas. Oh, they're ancient protector.
I
Yeah,
am not.
in your base.
Oh.
And I don't have TP.
Yeah.
Face the peril.
Should I go
do.
by TP?
No, I'll TP.
Yeah, but just you?
At your call.
Yeah, that's fine, I think.
You think that's gonna force them to TP? Yeah, I think they're gonna fight if I'm not there. I'll go by TP just in case.
No, they cancelled.
What is it?
Okay, so that means they will TP to me? Yeah, they are.
For honor.
But then I still don't have TP!
Only keeper, only keeper.
Yes, me lord.
Okay.
It's 1v1, you can win.
At your call. I am not afraid.
Oh, actually, I'm gonna do more than win. I'm gonna smash this fool.
At your call. At your call. Aye, sir. What would you ask of me? As you wish. What do you need? Fire! At your call. Aye, sir. Shoot the cow!
The other guy's TPing. I need help.
Shall be done.
I'll do what I
I'm gonna
can.
try to pull back. He's got some raiders. And Hex.
It shall be done.
This is bad news.
At your call. As you wish.
I turn around?
I have one more storm. I got lots of survivability. I'll pretend like my TC is...
Yeah, we can fight, I think, with your
Yeah,
minions
yeah.
coming back.
That's my last storm. I don't have heal scroll anymore. But it's a good fight anyway.
What do you need? For my time to go. Aye. You have a target.
Target the low HP units. I got aura level 2 now.
What do you need?
Ah, nice.
Forward.
I start getting my Impala.
Yeah.
Yes, me lord. Righto.
Nice. They got everything super low. I think they're wrecked because they have no way to heal now.
Link? Okay. Everything is dead.
Not even your dreams.
He's just like skipping town keeper.
Under attack. What?
I am not afraid.
I'm just gonna go over 50.
What do you need?
That's a pretty good unit.
Time to go. Aye. At your call. For my people. I'm your shooter. I am not afraid. Aye, sir. For iron.
Keeper.
What do you need?
Ah.
Let me face the peril. At your call. I'm your shooter.
I got village now.
At your call. For honor. I am not afraid. Aye, sir.
Job done.
I can't believe they can sell APs when they saw you go there. Like,
At your call.
that was a very easy window for them to do a lot with this.
What would you ask?
I think I would have been able to defend. Considering the positioning, but...
At your call.
I'm gonna heal you. Stay right there.
It shall
Actually,
be
I'll
done.
wait. I'll bait them to turn around and fight, thinking they have a chance, and then I'll heal.
Yeah.
For my
What is it? Forces are under attack.
Surprise! I don't have any other heal though. I don't think we'll need it. Oh yeah, Zank!
Yeah.
Pull back, pull back! Ninja.
Man, they had such a good early game.
Everything tighter.